For this activity, you will need a black crayon, a white crayon, and a yellow crayon. Go grab those colors now. Black, white, and yellow. Welcome back. Color the penguin with the crayons. Yes, even the white part you have to color white with your crayon. It's very important for the science experiment. Today we're going to test to see, do penguins get wet? Penguins swim in the ocean, and they have a skin covering called feathers that protect the penguin. Today you're going to protect the penguin by coloring it with crayons, waxy, waxy crayons. Once you've colored in all the black, white, and yellow for the beak, you're going to get a spray bottle and spray water on the penguin to see if the penguin gets wet. What do you think? Do you think the penguin will get wet when you spray it? Or do you think the crayons will keep the water off of the penguin? Have fun exploring!